J-SAP-M-TW3240 Wireless Manual Call Point. Meet the J-SAP-M-TW3240, a modern wireless manual call point designed for fast, reliable fire alarm activation with a clean and efficient design. Using advanced FosLink wireless communication technology, TNA's wireless manual call point eliminates the need for wiring, greatly simplifying installation while reducing labor time and overall system costs. Each device is built with a unique identification code, enabling seamless networking with wireless modules and fire alarm control panels for precise and dependable system integration. With a wireless communication range of up to 300 meters in open spaces, compact dimensions, and a wide operating temperature range from -10 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, the J-SAP-M-TW3240 is engineered for reliable performance in a variety of applications. The J-SAP-M-TW3240 wireless manual call point, simple activation, smart wireless design, and dependable fire protection when every second counts.